everyone, this is Maria, and today I have another fun toy unboxing from the 99-cent only store. And we have today squishies. Oh my gosh, and these are super cute. You can see how large they are. They have this little clear window here so you can see each one of the squishies that you're buying. It says squishy, slow rising foam, collect all 8, $1.99 each, amazing new value. And then you can see all the different squishies that are available. They're all food, desserts. And then on the back of the package, you'll see the pictures of them again. We have a hamburger, ice cream cone. There's another ice cream cone. We have 3 cakes of a unicorn. And all of the little unicorn icing on top is a different color. So there's like a turquoise. This one has like turquoise with pink. This one has blue. And this one is pink. We have a slice of cherry pie, a s'more, and a hamburger. And so let's go ahead and open these up, you guys. I am so excited. And so I found these at the 99-cent only store in Cala Mesa, which is by Yucaipa in Southern California. I'm going to snip this off with my scissors. I want to make sure that my squishy is all the way down. And I'm going to be very careful. And let's go ahead and pull this one out. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's really soft, you guys. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. This is how large it is. Here's my hand. I do have small hands, but you could see, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at the little face, the 2 little faces. Just so cute. It has a yellow bow. And let's go ahead and squish. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. So when I saw these, I got them right away, put them in my shopping cart. And when I got home, I realized I was missing one. So I went in search of that one today and found it at the 4th 99-cent only store that I went to today. Let's go ahead and open this one here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I just thought that was so cute. I think this was the second one that went into my shopping cart. It was like they were all saying, pick me, don't leave me behind. I said, don't worry, I'll take you all with me. And so, oh my gosh, this is so adorable. I mean, squishies are usually kind of expensive. I have paid up to $10 for them. And I remember when I first started seeing them at the mall, like in one of those little things, kiosk in the middle of the mall. And I think they wanted like $10, $12 for them. And here they are at the 99 for $1.99. Look at this. Let's go ahead and squish. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. These are so deliciously cute. And they're slow rising. You can see that. How it's going back to shape. I love that. Watch. Let's go ahead and squish. And let's watch it pop right back up. Isn't that cute? And so when I buy squishies, I'm really particular because sometimes people are picking them up in the store, even if they're in packages, and sometimes their fingernails, when they push in, will leave indentations. So when you do buy yours, be very careful and check because you don't want that on your squishy. Okay, so this is one of the unicorn cakes, and let's go ahead and open that one up. This is the one where I went to the 4th 99-cent only store today where I found this. They only had one. And I had to go back to the store because I wanted to get a replacement for it, and I'll show you why. So when I was in my car, you can't even see it, barely, right here. There's like a little, it looks like dust or something, like a little bit of dirt got in there. But obviously it was in the package. So it happened somewhere along the line while they were packaging it. But they only had this one. I went and checked all of them. They had a lot of squishies, just like these, over at the 99-cent store on East Street in San Bernardino. And so I also saw some over on Arlington in Riverside today. But anyways, I went ahead and kept this one because I couldn't find another. But look how cute. It's so adorable. And so let's go ahead and give this one a squishy. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's like squeezing a giant marshmallow. This is super, super cute. Oh my gosh. I love s'mores. And so let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and open the top. Are you ready, you guys? Are you ready for this? Look how cute. I think he's happy that he's coming out of the package. Here he is. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. I love this. In fact, I love this so much, I bought a second one. Oh, look at this. You know how when you make s'mores on a campfire or even in your microwave, how the marshmallow melts? Look at this, you guys. Let's go ahead and squish this one up really good. And now watch. Isn't that something? Just like magic. I just love these. I mean, grown-ups will love these too because these can be like, you know, those little stress balls that people keep on their desk at work when they get stressed? Or maybe they want to strengthen their wrist. Oh my gosh, just way, way too cute. Here's our second ice cream. This one has strawberry flavor, it looks like. And so, or it could be peppermint. Oh my gosh, here it is. Look how cute. Aw, I just love this one. So we have 2 ice cream cones now. Here we go. Oh my gosh, way too cute. Just love this. Look at his silver horn. So this unicorn has a yellow horn and this one has a silver one. I think I could play with these all day. They are just so much fun. Now let's open this one. And let's go ahead and pull it right out. Oh, look how cute. This one has a gold horn and the little pink icing here. I'm gonna squeeze her cheeks. So cute. I know I keep saying cute, but really, you guys, these squishies are adorable. So this hamburger is ready to get out of his package. He wants to catch up with his squishy friends. Get it? Catch up. And so let's go ahead and open this one. Oh my gosh, this hamburger is so adorable. Now let's give him a squeeze. And let's watch him come back to being a hamburger. There he is. Just so cute and so much fun. So here are the squishies that I purchased at the 99-cent only store for $1.99 each. There are 8 in all to collect. I think I would give these squishies 2 thumbs up. Yay! I think these have to be the most fun squishies that I have ever seen or purchased. I hope you will find them at your 99-cent only store. If you live near the 99, I would head over there quickly before they're gone. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great day and happy shopping. Bye!